If you own a WordPress site, you're going to want to listen up because this is a quick little video about Keyword Swarm, a WordPress plugin that snaps into your WordPress installation and provides you the same exact service that you used to outsource to third-party providers. Yep, if you use services such as Google Analytics, Clicky, Kissmetrics, Woopra, Mixpanel, Foxmetrics, or any other services that let you track your visitors, then you can finally stop giving your data to those third parties, because Keyword Swarm does everything that they used to do for you, and then some. Let's go over the 23 super features packed into the single WordPress tool. And again, it's just one plugin. You install it and activate it, and it does these things for you. Number 1, it lets you discover patterns of traffic flow. Number 2, it records how people interact with the various elements on your website. Number 3, it shows you where your visitors come from. Number 4, it lets you track downloads and other conversions. Number 5, it distinguishes old visitors from new visitors and tells you the exact ratio. Number 6, it shows you a world map of your traffic, showing you a more visual representation of exactly where your traffic comes from. Number 7, it detects browsers, operating systems, plugins like Flash, Reader, and Silverlight, and many others. Number 8, it pinpoints geographical coordinates based on the IP of a visitor. Number 9, it supports W3 Total Cache and other cache software solutions. Number 10, it works with WooCommerce and other e-commerce products. Number 11, it can tell apart different users on the same IP address based on different MAC addresses of devices that they're visiting from. Number 12, multiple languages and localizations are available for this software, so you can translate it into any language if it's not translated into it already. Number 13, real-time log. Number 14, it works with mobile web-enabled devices like phones and tablets. Number 15, there's a custom filter solution that makes it really easy to sort out data, giving you exactly what you want and filtering out everything else. Number 16, it allows you to distinguish different IPs such as spammers or other bloggers or friends and colleagues or bots or something like that. It allows you to label those IPs and put them in a bin together. Number 17, Keyword Swarm installs into a separate database, which is for all of you guys who are security conscious. It protects the integrity of your WordPress installation, because if something goes wrong with Keyword Swarm, your WordPress site will not be affected in any way, shape, or form. Number 18, it allows you to export your findings to a comma-separated value file so you can open it later with a spreadsheet solution. Number 19, MaxMind enabled geolocation service supplements the previously mentioned IP location service. There's another one that I will mention in a second. Number 20, User Map Custom Report Filter gives you a snapshot of your site's registered users right then and there at that moment in time. Number 21, the service that I just mentioned a second ago, IP2 Location, is another backup service that identifies countries, states, cities, zip codes, time zones, area codes, and even approximate GPS coordinates based on the IP address of a visitor. Number 22, it's cross-compatible with different browsers because the reports that Keyword Swarm generates are in HTML5, meaning you can open them even on your smartphone. Number 23, the software is very easy on your server. It requires under 50 megs of disk space, under 100 megs of MySQL space, and just 5 megabytes of RAM. I want you guys to get full control over your web traffic so you can command your site 24/7. With Keyword Swarm, you're going to be in full control of your data, and you will no longer have to inform other third parties and big corporations about exactly who visits your website, where they come from, and why they like to subscribe to it. All of that information is yours and it belongs to you only. And with Keyword Swarm, you can reclaim what you've been giving to other companies, or start tracking brand new campaigns if you are absolutely new to web development. Those of you who have been doing web development for quite a while know how comprehensive Google Analytics and all these other tools out there are. Well, Keyword Swarm is one of those that tops them all, and it specifically laser targets WordPress sites and allows you to get the most up-to-date material. so you can work with your marketing teams, so you can outsource it to your designers, you can give it to your web developers and say, hey look, people are leaving this web page very quickly. What gives? Or you can send it to your designer and say, that opt-in form doesn't convert too well. What can we do about it? Without that sort of information, you're just not going to grow. So if you want to expand your business in 2014 and beyond, get this special right now. The price of it will increase to $97 on April 11th. Then the offer will go completely offline on April 18th. I want to see you on the inside of that order page, so you gotta scroll down and click the buy button. Do it right now while this offer is still available.